In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your vendors to QuickBooks Online. This is a quick and essential task that will only take about 5 minutes of your time. Having all your vendor information organized in QuickBooks can significantly streamline your accounting process and make things so much easier come tax time or budgeting periods. So let's get started. First, you'll want to begin by clicking on the Sign In button. This will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your account credentials. Don't worry if you haven't been here in a while, just have your email and password ready and you'll be in no time. Once you've signed in, you should see an option for QuickBooks Online. Go ahead and click on that. This will direct you to the main dashboard of QuickBooks where you can access all its features and functionalities. From this central hub, you can manage invoices, track expenses, and most importantly for today, add new vendors. Now, with access to QuickBooks Online, it's time to enter your login details if prompted again. Make sure to type in your credentials correctly and then click on Continue. Occasionally you might have a pop-up verification, which is a standard security measure to keep your account safe. With that done, you'll want to navigate over to the Expenses tab. It's usually located in the left-hand menu. This area of QuickBooks contains all your financial transactions related to spending, including bills, vendor payments, and expense tracking. Once you are in the expenses section, look for the tab labeled Vendors. It's crucial because this is where all the details of your business's suppliers are stored and managed. Clicking on Vendors will provide you with a list of all your current vendors, but today we're here to add a new one. To add a new vendor, you will see a button in the right corner labeled New Vendor. Give it a click. You'll be presented with a form where you can fill in all the necessary information about your new contact. This is where you'll enter details such as the vendor's name, their company details, contact information, and any other specifics that might be useful for future reference. Take a moment to carefully fill in all the vendor details. Accuracy is key here, as it will help keep your records in order and make future transactions seamless. Once you've checked through all the information you've entered, the final step is to click on Save. It's a small action, but it's what locks in all the details you've entered, ensuring that your new vendor is successfully added to your QuickBooks database. And that's it, you've successfully added a vendor to QuickBooks Online. With these few simple steps, you're one step closer to maintaining an organized and efficient business record. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.